Hello guys, welcome to my towel design channel. Wherever you are, wherever your country is, I just would like to greet you all welcome and thank you for your time to watch the videos in this channel. And this is the channel where you can learn how to fold a towel from small towels, medium towels, large towels, and some combination into different shapes. And I believe that this channel it helps you a lot to do and to assist you when you are working on a cruise line or in a hotel base. All right, thank you very much. And if this is your first time watching this channel, please do me a favor to subscribe the channel. And if you have subscribed, please share to your friends. Check them. They might looking for it, but they don't know where to go. And I hope this will help them as well. Well, you might ask me why such a long time I never upload a new creations in this channel. Well, this pandemic had messed up everything. All the plans that I've planned before is changed. Well, frankly speaking, I'm working before on a cruise line, but now I stopped it for this pandemic, and it's hard for me to leave my family behind me. So I have a new activities now online. I'm working on it, and that's why the reason why I rarely upload a new towel folding or towel creation. Let me tell you, and this is what I'm doing. If you are a fishing lover, and I believe that you know this is what is this? It's a fishing bait. I'm painting on it. I'm drawing direct painting on this fishing bait. So I set it as a souvenir, and this is uh, mahi mahi. This is mahi mahi image. I paint on it, and after painting this one, I will complete this and putting some eye on it. I will attach, and after that, I will clear the body, and after that, I will do some resin on it, and it will be glowing and it will be fantastic. Fantastic is was a clear, yeah, and ready to sell. Well, do I sell this? Yes, I did, but I'm not selling publicly. I'm selling privately, yeah, because this is made by order. Yeah, this is made by order. And besides that, I do this one as well. Uh, it's a fishing bait. Yeah, it's some 130 grams, some 80 grams, 90 grams, and some is 100. Yeah, it's a stick bait and some is floating. If you guys are a fishing lover, you can purchase from me. Well, by this time I don't have a website yet because I just started because this is a pandemic. But some people locally purchase already and some overseas as well. So if you guys who are watching me right now, you might interest, yeah, you can direct message me or you can comment that you like and I will give you some details, what kind of details. So I'm selling this, and how do I make this one in handmade? Yeah, we make it. So we make these lures from Bali. So we send it from Bali. So original come from Bali, and we made it locally, and we sell locally and internationally. All right. So yeah, this is what I've done since pandemic, and I hope you guys are yeah interested as well. Well, that's the reason why some towel animals are not uploaded. Yeah, are not. Yeah, I don't have any such new towel design uploading right now on my channel, but I believe the videos that I've loaded before, I think still working means they still help people a lot. And I come on this YouTube right now to let you know that what is my activity right now, and this is it. And I hope you guys are interesting on it, and please help me to survive. Yeah, because since pandemic, I'm struggling. I'm struggling a lot. And this is what I'm doing right now. And I stopped working on cruise line, yeah, because I worked before on cruise line. And now I stopped it because you see, my son behind me, I cannot leave them anymore. Yeah, since pandemic, I cannot leave them anymore. When I try to give them plan, I need to go. They start crying, and well, I decided. And please, it might help me through this channel. It will help me to earn some money, even though not so big, but I can survive. Please help. I'm not going to tell you send me money. No. Please do me a favor for what I'm doing, yeah, and then help me so that I can be helped as well. And see, look my son behind me. All right, guys, thank you very much, and I wish you luck as well. For those who are struggling in pandemic, yeah, try and do your best. Yeah, dig your potential. And once again, thank you. For those who are looking for this kind of lures, if you are fishing lures, yeah, you can help me. I don't want to ask you money, but you can help me buy my product, buy the lures that we are making. Yeah, this one is I work together with my brother-in-law, and I hope you guys you can. I have some more models in here. Mostly is stick bait, uh, popper as well, stick bait, sinking, and floating. Yeah, stick bait, and I hope yeah, some is here this blue mackerel, and yeah, see them, and white one. So I cannot hold everything, but I can show you what I'm doing. All right, guys, thank you very much, and I really appreciate it. Uh, and thank you for your time for watching me and viewing this channel. And once again, have a good one. And we hope this pandemic goes forever and will not disturb us. Yeah, especially for me. All right. So thank you very much and see you around.